everyone, this is Jennifer with I Want You Colorado Springs, bringing you video interviews of local business owners and professionals. So tell us, who are you and what do you do?
I'm Beenie Mann, well, Sabina, really, but
okay.
My friends call me Beanie because it's just easier and
yeah.
more fun. And I'm with A-Frame Mortgage. I'm a newly licensed mortgage loan originator, and I work with a broker out of Greeley, and I'm opening up her Colorado Springs office.
Okay.
So she's covering the northern part of Colorado, and I'll be doing the southern part.
Okay.
And she has over 20 years of experience.
Wow.
So she's phenomenal. I'm blown away. I mean, I sat in on a few phone calls, with new clients, and she is so creative.
Yeah.
And she will find a solution.
Yeah.
And that's what I love.
Yeah. So what made you decide to go into mortgage stuff?
Good question. And I was just talking with a friend about this. Turns out I like finances.
Okay.
And I love helping people, always have. I mean, being a military spouse, always helping the junior spouses, and
right.
just genuinely love helping people. And one day, my friend Evelyn, my broker, her and her husband came down from Greeley, and we had lunch, and we were actually stationed with her husband and his ex-wife in Germany. So, and he reconnected with my husband, and that's how Evelyn and I connected. And so they were talking Army stuff, boring. And I looked at Evelyn, and out of nowhere, I don't even know where that came from, I wasn't even thinking prior about it, but out of nowhere, I looked at her, I said, hey, just because, what does it take to get a mortgage license? Because I was looking for something, to grow, to learn, to move forward, something.
Right.
And out of nowhere, I asked her that, and her whole body lit up. She got so excited, and she said, I've been waiting so long for you to ask me this.
Huh.
I was like, oh.
That's interesting.
That's fantastic.
I wonder why she never brought it up to you.
Because we don't do the pushy sales.
Oh, okay.
She is not about that. She
right.
is not the, you have to do this or think about this. She's just very subtle,
Now, those of you, I don't think you can probably see him, but Beanie's got a service dog, and he's not cooperating.
No, not today. He's like, oh, I smell other dogs, and
yes,
I'm excited.
Yes.
So we're working on this. He's in training.
Yes, but he's a cutie.
So anyway, she was excited, and I told my husband on the way home, I said, I was talking with Evelyn about maybe getting a license and becoming a mortgage broker, and he was like, oh, well, go do it.
Yeah.
And he's the most supportive husband
nice.
ever. He's wonderful. I love him. 28 years been going, So I said, okay. So I went and I looked to find out when they have the next classroom class, but that was a month out.
Right.
I'm like, no, ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah.
I want to get started. So I found an online class that started 2 weeks later, which the timing was perfect for me.
Yeah.
And I zipped through that online class, and then I started studying.
Okay.
Took my test and passed, and here I am.
So now when I bought this house, 2.5 years ago, my circumstances were very interesting because, I'm a self-employed person.
Right.
I'd only been in business about 1.5 years by then. And, so we had to work very closely with our mortgage people, and they just worked miracles. They were amazing to work with. Do you guys specialize in a certain type of clientele more than others, or is it just across the board?
We really do across, but we're really looking for the underserved, meaning the lower credit scores.
Okay.
We have several lenders that we can work with, so we have many products that we can choose from. And a lot of times, unless you have like a 620 or higher credit score, you're disqualified.
Okay.
Okay. So we can go as low as a 550.
Wow.
There's other circumstances, of course, that come into play.
Yeah.
But we can go down as low as a 550.
Okay.
So for all realtors out there, really, who have clients that didn't qualify for mortgage because of the credit score, come talk to me.
Yeah.
Talk to us.
Well, and I have a friend who, her real estate business is really geared around people who tend to be those disqualified people that have a harder time. So that's a good contact.
Right.
So I think that would be something good for you too, is realtors who, that's their specialty is helping those people specifically.
Yeah. And we do all loans, anything mortgage. We do the brain cramp. We're doing residential. We also do commercial.
Okay.
Although that's not our specialty, but we do commercial also. We do the conventional loans. We do the FHA, VA, USDA.
Okay.
So any loan. We also do reverse mortgages. We do the refinances, of course. So anything mortgage, we will look at it.
Now, would there be any small tidbit that you could give our viewers to let them know, like maybe stuff that they need to get together or something before they would contact you, about lending?
I mean, a good thing to know is know your credit score. Okay, know all your bills that you have coming out. Because we need to do that income debt ratio.
Right.
I mean, that plays a big factor also. So I mean, if you know all that, or if you're looking for refinance, know what's your interest rate that you're paying right now.
Okay.
Those things to come, and then we can sit down and say, and if we don't have a better product for you, then we'll let you know.
Okay.
So we're not trying to give you something,
Right.
So we can make a buck. That's not what we're about. We're
Right.
not about that.
Right.
So and yeah, just know your credit score. Know what get pre-qualified if you're looking to buy a house.
Okay. Yeah.
Before you go out looking, it's like, hey, I saw this really nice house. It's $1 million. Yeah, I want this.
Right.
And then it turns out you only qualify for $350 or something.
Right.
So know your buying power, because it also helps your realtor. It saves time, frustration, and all these things.
Now, when you get pre-qualified, how long is that good for?
We can lock in a rate for up to 45 as usual, the rate that with the lender, but we can go up to 60 days.
Because with this market and here in the Springs, things go by fast, and if you don't get it, you could be looking for a long time, unfortunately.
Right. Right.
And always keep in mind too with our market that maybe your credit score and all that stuff is allowing for 300, but as you know, the houses here are going above asking price a lot of times. So, even though this house might be 300 that you're looking at, you really need to be looking at houses that are maybe 280, so you can bump it up if you need to.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So, awesome. Well, is there anything else you'd like to say?
If you're looking to buy a house, get pre-qualified.
Yeah.
Know your buying power. And if you already have a house and you bought it 2, 3, 5, 10 years ago, it doesn't hurt to have somebody look at it and see maybe we can do something better.
Right.
Get you a lower interest rate or something.
Yeah.
Anything to help save you money in the long run and make sure you have that equity in your house. And you pay and you pay and you pay, and now you have this equity. Make it work for you.
Right. And how would they get a hold of you if they wanted to contact you?
You can call me at 719-322-5256 or find me on Facebook. I'm Beenie Mann, Beenie.
And I'll put all the links down at the bottom as well.
Awesome. Fantastic.
Thank you for being interviewed.
Well, thank you for having us.
Thanks. And as always, I Want You Colorado Springs is sponsored by glassblasted.com, where you can get all your personalized engraved needs. Have a great day. Thanks.